How to turn off background app refresh on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off background app refresh on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we need to scroll down and find option General and tap on it. In the appearance menu we should find option Background app refresh and click on it too. Now you can switch off app refreshing manually for apps that you like to. Also you can tap on option background app refresh at the top and choose off here. And now background app refresh is switched off for all apps and it can help you to preserve your battery life. And that's all. It was how to turn off background app refresh on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.